What I like about this is it actually helps you budget your cash flow. With this one, if you have a company running a business and you're prepaying some tax for the current financial year, this is something that we've kind of been waiting for a while. The pay as you go installments is the way that you prepay tax for the current year, and usually it's based on last year's returns that was lodged. Now, seeing that in the last 2 years, last year and this year can be vastly different for a business in terms of performance, and we're still paying tax as if we were trading as good as last year. So you might be how this kind of helps here is it's not necessarily a tax savings but a cash flow help. So you don't have to prepay as much as you do where businesses or companies can opt into a real-time PAYG installment kind of system and calculation. Now, this is based on your accounting software, so they'll actually look at current year, how are you doing, and then they'll calculate the tax installment you're supposed to pay based on the performance of your business currently, not last year. What I like about this is it actually helps you budget your cash flow, plan your cash flow a lot easier. Because right now I'm having conversations with clients talking about, hey, we have to pay 15 grand in installments. Riz, I don't have that 15 grand. This year is really bad. Oh yeah, but the ATO levied that based on last year you had a cracker year. Oh, okay, well, I'm tied up for cash flow. They start falling behind on the payments, issues come up, and it's just not realistic. Yes, we have the ability to vary it down to a reasonable amount already, that's right. And but this is more of a proactive approach. We don't even have to take that step. So they're really realigning that a little bit closer to what your business is actually doing right now, and managing that cash flow is more important than ever right now.